Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to operate the Patchy Learning Console. To ensure we're going ahead with a quality course designed by the Aspire team. This video is especially made for the CBSE teachers who are going to enroll themselves in the Intellectual Property Right course. It is mandatory from CBSE. As a part of the learning process and as a part of the LMS, Patcognos is having a rich features that enables learners to learn at their own pace. So without wasting any time, let me just show you how to register on the portal. First of all, go through the email that is sent by the Patcognos team, having all the instructions in the pointer format that will give you an ease of hands-on experience how to operate the Patsy console. That is a prerequisite that every teacher has to go through all the guidelines and all the steps mentioned in the PDF shared via email. After that, log into the learning.patcognos.com URL. After that, you will be seeing the official website of Patsy Learning with all its contents and logo will be visible. On the top corner, you will see the option of login and register. As if you're a new user, you have to click on register and you have to register with your valid username. I'm Manav Sharma, so your valid email. Make sure you enter the same email ID that you use for the CBSE other program registrations with Student Innovation Ambassador Program. Enter a strong password, your first name, your last name, and the school name of yours. Make sure you enter the details as per the details provided in the Google form of the previous sessions you have taken from Student Innovation Ambassador Program. And you're registered email for the confirmation again. The phone number that you registered during the Google form submission, state, city. Click on register. Once you will register, you will receive the activate your account email from the Patcognos Learning official email ID, that is promotions@verify.net. Click on the link and your account will be activated. Now, as a fresh process, remove the cookies already stored by the website, close this tab and open a new tab that is learning.patcognos.com. This is the main website of the course console. On the same corner, there is a login button. You click on login, enter your username and the password you set. For ease of access and just to ease of logging in again and again, click on remember me, hit login. And see, you are on your dashboard now. Once you will be landing on the dashboard, you will see some additional information that you have submitted, and it is going to be verified by the MIC official and the Patcognos official in a combined way. So just to ensure that the right people are accessing the course. To avoid any malware or any other attempt to de-originate the particular course structure, there is a strict policy defined by MIC, CBSE, and other authorities to allow only and only the registered members on portal. Once you land on the page, you'll see the enrolled courses that right now you have no courses available as you're not enrolled yet. Certainly you're going to do it the next step. Then the additional information that you've supplied and it's verified. The activity section consists of the social media activity that you're going to take care on the portal, just to interact with other fellow teachers. Notifications in the notifications, you will receive the notification sent by MIC or Patcognos time to time. So you're requested to check this particular section every time when you log in to your console. On the right side, you will see the detailed menu. This particular menu will be enabled once you will be enrolled in a course. So let us just go ahead and find the IPR course for CBSE teachers. Click on Courses on the tab, and there's one course called Introduction to Patcognos Learning Platform. Click on this particular course, and as you can see, it's a free course for CBSE teachers, and it's having the basic curriculum that is going to be covered for the prerequisites of the IPR course. It's having a welcome session by Director by Technologies in 3 different languages, then how to register, how to log in, and assessing dashboard. So let me just go ahead and enroll myself in this particular course. That is a prerequisite course before we move ahead to the actual course. You can consider this as a trial course to get familiar with the main console. In the top bottom corner, you will see the Get Course button. When you click on Get Course, we'll click on Start Course. Once you click on Start Course, the session will automatically begin. As we are on sandbox mode right now, the video is not available, but in the real model, you will see the video running here. For every video lesson, there is a text and video associated with it. Once you are done with the video watching, you completed it, click on Complete and click on Next Lesson. Then again, the same process you have to follow. It's in different language. You have to see the video, click on the Complete button, move on to the next session. To keep track of the completed session, there is a curriculum content drip on the right where you can see this symbol of tick mark shows that you have completed this lesson. So keep watching the video and the content and click on the complete lesson to avoid any discrepancy or any problem during the course origination. Here I've completed how to log in, accessing the dashboard, starting the course, Patchy Learning website demo. This is the video that you're watching is the Patchy Learning website demo. In the main version, you will only have one video link apart from these 3 introductory videos, that is how to onboard yourself on the course structure. So this is the video I'm just showing how to complete the processes in the upcoming course. So I've just completed Patchy Learning Android app demo. And I'm going to complete the Patchy Learning iOS demo, and I have completed all my lessons. So as you can see, I have completed all my lessons successfully and have completed this prerequisite course. Now I can move to the main course, that is the IPR course for CBSE teachers. I'll close it and I will go to main homepage. Then I'll go to the courses tab. And as I've already completed this prerequisite course of Introduction to Patcognos Learning Platform, now I will move to the main course of the end, that is Intellectual Property Rights for CBSE teachers. Before moving ahead, you have to go through the description of the course, like what you're going to learn and what is the objective of the course. After that, you have to go through the curriculum, like in which section, how many lessons are there, and what is the duration of that level. After every section, there is a MCQ. MCQ is there to test your ability and your learning adaptability of that particular section. Make sure if you are not able to pass the MCQ level 1 or MCQ level 2, you are not going to proceed for the further sections until you achieve 50% of the marks. assigned by the instructor of yours. Keep a note of that. Without completing MCQ level, you are not going to proceed to the next session. For your ease, the next session is having some preview videos that are only visible if and only if you have completed some of the lessons or 5 of the lessons of the first section. Then there is an announcement session. Announcement section consists of all the announcements made for this particular course. So you are requested to check this particular tab time to time. Now, before we move ahead, let us just go through the entire screen again. That is, you have to confirm the title of the course, the duration of the course, number of lectures of the course, and the level of the course. And after going through description, curriculum, and announcement, you can click on Start Course. Once you click on Start Course, your schema will be loaded and you will be automatically redirected to the section 1, that is Introduction to IPR, and the video will be visible. The same process you have to follow that we did in the previous course, that you have to watch the video, click on complete once the video is complete, and move to the next lesson. Here it is. This is how you complete your course. There are total 8 sections available in this particular course. Introduction to IPR, and just after that, there are some expert sessions from the innovation ambassadors, and these sessions are from the experts of Verispire technology, and they are going to cover very basic parts of the IPR industry that are going to help you in the next sections. Now, the section 3 is the exploring patents, where you will be exploring the basics of the patents in IPR. Moving next, you will be in section 4, exploring the trademarks and the terms related to the trademarks. In section 5, you will be exploring the copyright sections and the Copyright Acts of India, followed by design and industrial designs that are same as the intellectual property like copyright, trademarks, and patents, but are different, having different varieties. In the section 7, Dr. Bhavna is going to take care of the plant varieties. The plant varieties is a very broad section, and it is recorded as in person with Dr. Bhavna to give you more insights on plant varieties in detail. And then come to the final assessment. Once you are done with all the 8 sections, there is an assessment part. In the assessment part, you have to submit the detailed document of the 2-pager document, that benefits of IPR in school. And later on, as a follow-up assignment, you have to submit a document consisting of 5 copyrights from education industry. Once you will done that, your course will be completed and you can trace and track your progress here. As we are giving you a walkthrough to the platform, we will be covering some inside parts in the next video. In the right corner, you're having your dashboard where you can see your enrolled courses. We are right now enrolled to the 2 courses. One is already completed, that is 100% complete, and another was in progress. Make sure you don't confuse with the title of the courses. And coming to the messages. If your instructor is having some problem or some issues or some information that needs to be passed to you, you will receive the message here directly from the instructor. Certainly, yes, you can reply on that message as well. The membership part is not for the CBSE teachers. My assignments will show you the assignments submitted by you. So as we have not submitted any assignment yet, so there is no assignments here. When you click on My Points, here you will see how many points you have earned of completing a lesson. So see, every lesson that you pass gives you a 10 points. And every course purchase, that is right now for CBSE teachers, is of no cost. Additional 50 points are given for successful onboarding. So we request and we expect that you're going to have a smooth onboard on the platform. So once you are done by this and your registration, from your registration to the course completion, you will be getting some points. Make sure these points actually reflects your proficiency and adaptability to the system and the IPR knowledge that you are getting. The main part of this is the certificate. Certificate will be available once you will be completing all the courses and all the lessons of the courses. As you can see, you have already completed the introduction to Patcognos learning platform. So your platform, your certificate is already there. You can simply download your certificate here and you can share it on your social media as it is a kind of an achievement for you. So before we move further, let me just close down and let's give you a quick review of that, how registration works. You have to go to the lending.patcognos.com, make yourself registered, log into your account, and access your dashboard. Go to courses, get the first Introduction to Patcognos Learning Platform course. It's a prerequisite course. Without this, you're not going to start the main course. Go through all these points, complete the course, and come to the main IPR course for CBSE teachers so that you can complete it on time. The maximum time given to complete this course is 1 week. Including in this, we will be sending some official links of the live sessions that are specially arranged after watching the actual participation of CBSE teachers. So all the best to all of you. In the next video, we will be discussing about how to proceed for MCQs and how to submit an assignment. Thank you. We are looking forward for an active participation. For any queries, for any general queries or technical queries, you can drop us a mail at technicalsupport@patcognos.com or support@patcognos.com. Our experts and our helping team will be available on a grievance portal that are going to be demonstrated in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.